This method can answer key questions on how to decorate peptide amphiphiles with polyamines and on the use of orthogonal protecting groups. The main advantage of this technique is that you can generate hybrid peptide amphiphiles with unprotected chemical building blocks containing multiple reactive sites.
Demonstrating the procedure will be Mehdi, Nathalia, and Krishnaiah, graduate students from the Conda-Sheridan laboratory.
First, carefully weigh out 2-chlorotrityl chloride resin. Place the resin in a fritted medium porosity synthesis vessel with 50 milliliter capacity. Next, affix the synthesis vessel to a variable speed mechanical shaker and turn the vessel to a 45-degree angle to maximize agitation. Then add 15 milliliters of DCM to the resin. After allowing the resin beads to swell for 15 minutes, add 8 equivalents of the desired polyamine to the resin and allow it to react for 5 hours. After 5 hours, perform a Kaiser test to confirm a successful reaction of the polyamine to the resin. Following this, protect the primary amine group by adding 4 equivalents of DDE in anhydrous methanol and shaking the reaction mixture overnight. On the following day, perform a Kaiser test to confirm successful protection by the absence of blue color from the resin bead. Then, drain the DCM and wash the resin twice with a 2-to-1 mixture of DCM and DMF. Now, add 20